That's basically your platform level.
Actually, a good point. Actually, you know,